deep coil cleaning, and system reset. Welcome back. In this bonus advanced class, we're going to walk step by step through a professional level deep cleaning and reset of an air conditioning system, including everything from pump down to full system recharge. This process is especially useful for situations where the evaporator coil is clogged, there are performance issues, or a deep maintenance is required. Step 1. Perform a pump down. Start by turning off the thermostat. At the condenser, close the liquid line service valve using an Allen key. Let the system run for 1 to 2 minutes. This will push all refrigerant into the condenser. When you hear the suction line pressure drop, close the suction line valve quickly. Turn off the system power. Now your refrigerant is stored safely inside the outdoor unit. Why this matters? This step avoids unnecessary refrigerant loss and allows safe coil removal. Step 2. Disconnect the copper lines and remove the coil. Remove the panel on the air handler and access the evaporator coil. Use a tubing cutter to cleanly cut both the suction and liquid lines. Use gloves and safety gear. Residual oil may be inside. Carefully remove the coil from its cabinet. If the unit is in the attic, take extra care with water lines and slope. Step 3. Deep clean the coil. Spray coil cleaner foam or detergent across the entire evaporator surface. Use chemicals to clean the coil. If possible, remove it and clean in the customer's yard, repeating the cleaning process 2 or 3 times, depending on the level of dirt. This improves airflow and system performance. Rinse thoroughly with water, but do not let any water or debris enter the copper pipes. Cover the ends of the copper tubes with tape or plugs to avoid letting in moisture during cleaning. Let the coil dry completely before reinstalling. Step 4. Replace the filter dryer. Every time you open the refrigerant circuit, you must replace the filter dryer. Cut out the old one and braze in a new dryer. Install it on the liquid line as close as possible to the indoor coil. This will protect the system from moisture and acid contamination. Step 5. Reconnect the coil and braze the lines. Reinstall the evaporator coil inside the air handler. Clean the copper with emery cloth or a brush. Use nitrogen flow while brazing to prevent oxidation inside the line. Complete clean braze joints on both the suction and liquid lines. Let everything cool and inspect for solid connections. Step 6. Pressure test with nitrogen. Pressurize the system to 250-300 psi using nitrogen. Check for leaks using soap bubbles. Wait 10 to 15 minutes to verify no drop in pressure. Step 7. Pull a deep vacuum. Connect your vacuum pump to the service ports using a micron gauge. Pull vacuum until you reach 500 microns or lower. Let the system hold vacuum for a few minutes. No micron rise means no leaks and no moisture. Step 8. Open the valves and recharge if needed. Slowly open both liquid and suction line valves at the condenser. The refrigerant should now flow back into the system. If the refrigerant charge was lost or recovered earlier, recharge it to the correct subcooling or superheat value using your gauges and thermometer.